Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to save an old tax region in Logic ERP. Let's begin by navigating to Edit Tax Regions. Here, you can see the current tax regions. Now, we need to create a copy of these tax regions with the prefix old appended to their names. The old tax regions has been successfully created. From 22nd September onwards, the current tax regions will remain unchanged. All settings prior to 22nd September will be preserved under the old tax regions.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.